Hello friends, welcome to the channel Orange Blast. I'm Meghna. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can make a rose with the help of satin ribbons. So let's get started. Okay guys, for this we'll be needing a red satin ribbon roll, green satin ribbon, Fevicol, scotch tape, scissors and a empty refill. Okay guys, for this we'll be needing, we'll take out a piece of satin ribbon. You can see the length. Length can be of any size depending upon the rose that you want to make. Now what we will do is, we will take it like this. You can look at the movement again from the here to here, like this, and we will keep repeating this movement. Take the tape and we'll try to hold it. Like this. So our rose is ready now. I have cut the excess ribbon, you can see, and now our rose has come. Now we'll take this empty refill and we'll apply a little bit of glue. Not much of glue is required. We are making the stick of the rose, and so this refill will act as the stick. And now we will cover this refill with the green ribbon, green satin ribbon. Okay guys, so our stick is ready, and now we will join these together, the stick and the rose, with the help of a cello tape. Okay guys, so our rose is ready, you can see. Okay guys, so our rose is ready. This rose is for all the subscribers of Orange Blast. For more such exciting content, please subscribe to my channel and do like and share the video. Thank you.